My English Book 3, Unit 1.1 Oral Communication. Introduce yourself and others. Hello Majid, how are you? Majid, I am good, thanks. Please meet my cousins. They are from Lahore. Salim, hello, I am Salim. How are you? Ahmed. And I am Ahmed. How are you? Jamil. I am fine, thanks. Nice to meet you, Salim. Nice to meet you, Ahmed. A farmer had 5 sons. He worked on his field alone. He sent his sons to school and gave them everything they needed. They became strong young men, but they were lazy and selfish. They fought with one another all the time. When the farmer grew old, he became worried. He wanted his sons to work and love another. One day he called his sons and said, I am very old. I cannot work anymore. There is no money for food. Now you have to work. His sons were angry. No one wanted to work. They started shooting and fighting. The old farmer said, stop fighting. I will tell you a secret. There is gold in the field. Go and find it. The boys dug up the field, but there was no gold. They were tired and they were tired and upset. The farmer said, sow some seeds in the field. Very soon you will have your gold. The young men were very sorry. They sowed the seed and had a good crop. They sold it in the market for a good price. As a result, they decided to work hard and not to fight with one another. Unit 1.3 Language Practice. Going for a picnic. Salma and her family are going for a picnic. They put the food and drinks in a picnic basket. Father puts the breakfast in the car. The car is old. Its color is red. It can go fast and far. Salma takes her skipping, skipping rope. Farid takes his football. Father takes his camera. Mother takes her purse. They take their radio. Father will drive the car to the farm. Oral communication. Sana, hello Razia. Why were you absent yesterday? Razia, hello Sana. I wasn't feeling well. Sana, what happened to you? Razia, I had fever. Sana, did you take any medicine? Yes, I did. Sana, how are you feeling now? I am fine. Thank you. Waiting for school bus. Awesome. We are late. Stop that car. We will take a lift. Farah, no. It isn't safe to take a lift. Awesome. Okay, then walk fast. Farah, wait. A bus is coming. Awesome. It's the school bus. Stop it. Farah, I will wave my hand and the driver will stop. Listening and responding to command. Look at the picture. What color are the off light? Where do you see them? What do they mean? Why is the boy holding the little girl in the picture? What can happen to the little girl if the boy does not hold her? Reading test. Safety measures. One day, Sajid was going to school. He saw a little girl walking with her mother on the footpath. The girl had a ball in her hand. The ball fell from her hand and went rolling onto the road. The girl ran after the ball. Sajid put his bag down and grabbed her just in time. A car was coming from behind them at high speed. The driver also stopped the car just in time. The girl was very scared. The girl's mother and the driver of the car thanked Sajid. He had saved the little girl. As children grew up, they learned to do many things for themselves. They must also learn to keep themselves and others safe. Sajid's parents have given a motto to the family. The motto is safety first. Safety first. Up the street I look to see if any traffic's near to me. Down the road I look as well and listen for a horn or bell. There's something coming. Wait a bit. If I run out, I may be hit. But now the road is really clear. No cars or motor bus is near. I can run across the road so wide. Hurrah, I am safe. The other side. Unit 4.1 Oral Communication. Offer and respond to greetings. Greetings and festival oral practice. Eid Mubarak Asad. Happy Eid Ahmed. Happy Diwali Sita. Happy Diwali Mohan. Happy Christmas Mary. Happy Christmas Jim. Happy Nowruz Anusha. Happy Nowruz Feroz. Sit in groups of four and ask each other, what do you do in the month of Ramzan. What happens when the Ramzan ends? What do you do on Eid day? Share your information with the class. Reading test. Pakistani festivals. We Pakistani are very fun loving people. We celebrate many festivals. Mohan and Sita celebrate Diwali. They celebrate Diwali on the 27th of the Ashu. It is on the 1st of November this year. They wear new clothes. They go for puja. They light clay lamps in their homes. They enjoy themselves with dancing and fireworks. They wish happy Diwali to their relatives and friends. They give gifts and sweets to each other. Anusha and Feroz celebrate Nowruz. It is on the 21st of March. It is a festival of spring. Children dress in new clothes. They visit relatives and friends. They wish happy Nowruz and give gifts and sweets to each other. Amna and Asa celebrate Eid. It comes after on the first of Shawwal each year. Children wear new clothes. They say Eid Mubarak and get Eid. They visit relatives and friends. They give gifts and sweets to each other. Mary and Jim celebrate Christmas. Christmas is on the 21st, 20, 25th of the December each year. 25th of December each year. They decorate a Christmas tree with light. They visit friends and relatives. They put gifts under the tree for their family and friends. They get many gifts and sweets. 4.4 Writing a letter. Dear Anusha, I am very excited. Soon it will be Eid. Mother has made new clothes for Asad and me. I have presents for everyone. Asad and I have saved our pocket money. We will give Eid to Sabra. She helps mother in the house. We are making Eid cards for our friends. I will send one to you. Love, Amna. Poem Eid. After 30 days of fast, sweet Eid comes at last. Children get a lot of Eid. They also share it with the needy. Happy Eid. We wish to all. All are happy, big and small. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. National hero Salman. Who is hero? Jafar. Someone who does something outstanding. Salman. Do heroes get prizes? Jafar. They get honor and sometimes awards. They get honor and sometimes awards. Who is your hero? Jafar. My hero is Rashid Manath Shaheed. Rashid Minas Shahid Nishane Haider. Even when he was a little boy, Rashid Minas loved stories about flying aeroplanes. His hobby was collecting different kinds of model aeroplanes. Rashid Minas was born in Karachi on 17th of the February 1951. After completing his studies, he joined the Pakistan Air Force and started his training as a GD pilot. It was the 20th of August 1971 and the time was 11 a.m. Rashid was about to take off in a T-33 plane for his second solo flight. Just then, his instructor climbed into the plane. When the plane took off, the instructor turned it away. Rashid realized that the plane was being hijacked. He fought very bravely to get control of the plane. The plane crashed about 51 kilometers from India. Both Rashid and the instructor were killed. Rashid gave his life for his country. He was awarded the highest military award, the Nishane-e-Haider. He was the youngest Pakistani to get this award. The Air Force Base at Kamra was renamed PA Base Minhas after his death. Rashid Minhas Road at Karachi is also named after him. In December 2003, the Pakistan Post printed a 2 rupee postage stamp with his picture on it. Pakistan is proud Rashid Minas Shahid Nishan-e-Haider for his bravery and sacrifice. Unit 5.3 My morning routine. My name is Kashif. Our home is a busy place in the morning. Father and mother get up early. They say their prayers. They wake us up at 6 o'clock. Mother makes breakfast. Father goes to buy things to eat. My sister Maria and I wash up and say our prayers. Then we get ready for school. We all have breakfast together. We walk to school. Our school starts at 7:30. We see the rising sun and the flying birds. Cool breeze blows. Everyone is happy. Writing, developing a story from an outline. Rewriting, hungry dog steals a piece of meat, runs away crossing a bridge, sees reflection, think another dog with meat, tries to get to meat, tries to get the meat, loses his own moral, don't be greedy. Read the story. A hungry dog stole a piece of meat from a butcher's shop. It ran away with the meat in its mouth. As it crossed a bridge, it saw its reflection in the water. It thought it was another dog with mean with meat in its mouth. It wanted the other piece of meat also. It opened its mouth to grab the other piece of meat, The meat is its mouth fell into the water and was lost. The dog remained hungry. Moral: don't be angry. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy.